Say hi, Aunt Sarah. I have the hiccups. Yeah, I love you, Aunt Sarah. Hope you have a good day. Yeah. I know. You tell Aunt Sarah. You tell her. Say, I love you. I love you, Aunt Sarah.